Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Grow old with me, the best is yet to be. To love is nothing, to be loved is something, but to love and be loved, that's everything. You call it madness, but I call it love. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. The first duty of love is to listen. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love is a canvas furnished by nature and embroidered by imagination. The way to love anything is to realize that it may be lost. You don't love someone for their looks, their clothes, or their fancy car, but because they sing a song only you can hear. True love stories never have endings. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his own hat. To love is to burn, to be on fire. The art of love is largely the art of persistence. Love is the key to happiness. You're my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. Soulmates never part. You are my heart's desire. True love never fades. I love you to the moon and back. Happiness is being loved by you. You make love look easy. Your love is my safe place.